Hello, assignment 8.2 was all about uploading an Excel workbook to an app. I did just fine with uploading this Excel file onto an online Excel sheet, but because I don't pay for Power BI, my free trial ran out. I could not afford to publish the app. So I was able to do everything, including transfer the workbook over to Power BI and then upload it to online. I just was not able to publish it as an app. But here is the data that you can interact with. I can also do this online as well. Thank you.